The condition of the 3rd Street Bridge in Minot is rated poor by the National Bridge Inventory. Crews fixed a series of repairs this summer, but there's still a lot of work to do. Kiona Rivera breaks down what needs to be done.
This steel bridge in Minot is nearly 90 years old. It serves as a key connection from North Minot to the downtown area, carrying 3rd Street Northeast over the Souris River and the BNSF Railway. Engineer Jordan Gerber with KLJ Engineering told city leaders this week the bridge went through major fixes in 1985 and 2010.
You can see the significant deterioration that's occurring there compared to this side, just due to the geometry of the structure.
Engineers broke down the priorities in 4 categories, ranging from a 0 to 10-year timeline to fix. And just last summer, the bridge closed for 4 weeks to repair deck joints, seals, and concrete, among other things.
For its age, it's appropriate, but it's obviously corroding and deteriorating. In the span of 3 years, what looked concerning became alarming.
Gerber told the council crews were able to fix almost all the bridge joints last year. But more critical repairs are needed in the coming years. Otherwise, the bridge would have to close or have its load capacity reduced. Like how this concrete is separating from the girder.
Over time, water infiltrates through those deck joints and can get stuck between these adjacent layers. When trapped like this, it creates a condition called pack rust.
Engineers will come back to the council this spring to further discuss an action plan. In Minot, I'm Kiona Rivera, reporting for your news leader.
KLJ estimates the complete cost of repairs to be between $6.6 and $12 million. Now, we did reach out to city engineer Lance Meyer, who says the bridge is safe to drive on now.